Okay. So last class you done with what? Remaining operators. How many operators over till now? Arithmetic over, assignment over, relational. Another name for relational, comparison, logical, bitwise. So 5 over. Left with what? 2 more operators. Now we are seeing which operator now? Identity operator. See here nothing will understand, but only thing what you can understand is here, and you are already using also. From last 20 days you are using also. Nothing but what? Is the operator. Is will give you answer in terms of what? Boolean. It can be either true or false. Now, so stop doing what you're doing there. See here for 5 minutes, then you can start. Okay. So first one, what I have there, a equal to box. In a box, it's a list of what? 5. Then b equal to 5. It is what type? Integer. C equal to 6. Integer. D equal to array of 5. 5. List of 5. Okay. Then equal to 5. Integer. And here what I told, f equal to c and g equal to a. Now, before going here, see, list can have several data types. Yes or no? Yes, or it can't have. But set cannot have what? Set over na. Set cannot have what? Cannot have set first of all. One more. What happened? Set cannot have two data types. What are those? List and set. It cannot have list inside it, and it cannot have a set inside. Okay. Now here what I'm doing there now? What I'm checking there? A is C. See one thing here. What changes happens to C? That same things happens to F also. Yes or no? Suppose I'm making a C equal to what? 10. What is the value of F? Suppose I'm making A value as what? 45. G also 45. Okay. Now let us start here now. What I'm saying, print A is C. This is what list. This is what? Integer. And check this. Values are there. Values are same or different? So what will get there? False. So clear screen. What you got there? False. Now I'm checking now what next. A is B. See in the box you have what? 5. And here what you have here? Declare. That's it. B equal to 5. But list you can add some elements there. In the list you can add what? Some elements. So it can't be what? Same. That's how what you get the answer what? False. Now below again. A is D. No, A is also having same thing. B or D also having same thing. But what in the case of list, what I can do? I can add the elements. So if I modify the A elements there and then check again there, will be it again same there? No. That's why both the arrays cannot be what? Same thing. Both the list cannot be what? Same. So if I use and check there, it is not possible. What I get again there? False. Now what I'm saying, A is F. A is F. What is A equal to? List of 5. What is F equal to? 6. Clearly it is what? False. Now what I'm saying, A is G. A is G. A containing what? Array of 5. G containing what? Same. Means what? Whatever changes happens in the A, even it happens in the A or G also. So then what I get now? True. Means whatever change happens in the A also happens in the what? G also. Then I get what? True. But if changes not happens, then false. Now B is E. What is B containing? 5. A also containing what? 5. Declare. Khatam. That's it. Only what in the case of integer? Only can have integer only. Or B variable can have other things also again there. No. So then I get what answer there? I guess what? True. No. F is G. What is F containing? C. C containing what? 6. F value how much is 6? G what? Array of 5. So clearly what? False. Then you have last is what there? Is not. Is not means what? Opposite answer. Opposite answer. Here first had what? False. Now it will become what now? True. Then same thing here. A is not B. First of all, A is B what? False. It becomes a what? True. Then I'm saying B is E. What I got? True. Is not I'm saying. Then what I get there what? False. But really, this is not here useful again. But where it is useful, is it space, is it title? That case will be very useful. Okay. So now you can make a note. Next one is very important. Okay. So I have to change the names. So some names I can't ask, I can't keep there. So don't feel okay. Yeah. So I'll take some names here in the name here. Starting Pan Praveen favorite Tilotam. One day also the salary absent Tilotam. Praveen will mistake something. Write short, okay? Because people will feel again. Hello. Pra. Avan. Vampire will keep. No? Pav Bhaji. Next. Brahma will keep Brahma. Sandy will keep. Or will think Sandy. Sadi. Aim. How much big list happening? I don't know. For your sake only, this main thing. But here again, if I don't write, again you'll feel again. Huh? Okay, one name save here. Because two Ramyas are there in one name, it came. Separate you want a property. Lorry will keep. Udaya. Only in this batch I'm adding. I need a big task over. Here you keep your names whatever you want to. Wanted like that name should be there again. There are already kept proper names again there. Again, if you want there, how can I show mistakes again? Yeah, and also two are there again. See, online students I'm forgetting there. Okay, Anusha here. Anusha there, Preeti there, Ravindra there. Here. We'll add in here because in online we'll keep in the not list. Okay. One more here. Feeling, huh? Okay, we'll keep it. Okay. Are Shavanti name missing, huh? Okay. Naming part I done. Now tell the answers now. See, simply understand. One big list is there. Okay. Really here. In this class, how many members are there now? 20 members are there, suppose now. I can check now. But here, suppose big list is there. How can I check one thing once suppose members are there in a class? I have to check in this class, so answer name is there or not there. How can I check? By control F button. Huh? There's also an option there. But in a proper manner, if I want to check, how can I check whether your name is there or not there? Or some people ask, are you in membership or not in membership? Same thing here. I'll be using what in operator. Suppose if I want to say find Brahma there in the class or not. So what I'll say, Brahma there in Python class or not. So what will come there? Yes. I didn't add bug in the field. Okay. Now, first one there. Tillo there in this list or not there in this variable name? There or not there? There. What's the answer now? So let me open once. What is the first answer there? True. Next one. Puff there, not there? Not there, there na. Then Pune there, not there? Not there. So what will come here? False. Next year. Sharad there, not there? Not there. What will come there? False. Next year. Azi there or not there? There. Then Brahma there, not there? Not there. False. Then here. Annu there, not there? So what will come now? I'm saying not in there. Yes, not there. What will come there now? True. Here also? True. Here also? True. Here it is what? So let us see the answers now. First ones. So you can check my answers there also. So for clarity purpose, I have to minimize. So let me scroll up. Then clear screen. Run the code once again. Okay. True, true, false, false, true, false. Then ask 3 true, then false. So if there, what will come? True. If not there, false. And in the case of not in means what? I'm checking. This name should not be there. Means what? Not there. So it will come true. But if it is there, what will come? False. Where last name la there? So what will come there? False. Fine. So you can write your name there or this name there and make it fast, please. Are you able to see your last? Over. So now if I print name, what will come? Total in the what? List. But if I sort and keep it, if I do what? Sorting, whose name will come first? Ani will come or Azzy will come? Ani. Why? Uppercase have what? Less key, less ASCII value compared to others. Okay. Then same thing here. If I pass the Python, what will come first now? Yeah. What will come first now? H. Then what next? Y. Next what? Last will come? Last T. Then print. I have to print it. And in the box. Okay. Then if I do reverse equal to true, already I've seen now this. What I'll get first? What? Reverse order there. I'll get in what? Reverse order. From what? Descending to ascending. By default, what? Ascending to what? Descending. But if I keep reverse equal to true, I'll get what in the descending order. Then you can print the name in this way also. You want side line by line. For I in name, print I. This is a name there containing list. So now you can print line by line now. First P, then N, then Y, then T, then H, T, then O, then H. Or na for loop. Okay, this also can be done. So make a note of this one fast. Then I'll go with one more operator. One more there. Sometimes useful, sometimes not useful, but you have to know. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Suppose what you want to add here, tell me. In which case? Which case? Means what? Like what means? No, in the sorting or in the printing of formula for ways. Sort. No problem. Suppose what you want to add there, P, then 2 times P will come at the starting only. What will come? P. Where P will come there? First H, then Y, then so and so. Where P is there, na? 2 times P will come now. So let me clear screen there now. Now you can copy. And can you tell me how to remove that star, that comma and brackets once? I want to remove that 128 answer getting there na? 128 answer. Keep the what? Star. If you keep star, what happens there? Comma, brackets and comma gets what? Left. Ignored. They be what? Ignored. So that time I have kept the what? Star. Done now? Okay. Okay. Now, see, apart from this, you have one more operator called as what? Shift operator, which comes along with what? Bitwise only. In the case of what? Bitwise. So let me show once. Here also I have a white screen. Okay, fine. Or I'll open the paint box. Okay. See here. This is called as what? Right shift. It is called as what? Right shift. In simple language, what you remember? What you'll do? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Suppose here, if a pass, we will take some value 20 or 30 or 25, whatever it is. So suppose a value equal to how much? Suppose a equal to how much? 20. What I am saying there, a right shift. How many times? One time. What is the meaning of this one? First of all, what is the meaning of this one? Divide by 2. Divide by 2 how many times? One time. So what is the answer of 20 by 2? 20 by 2. How much? 10. 2 tens are 20. Yes or no? So how much is the answer here? If I print a now, after making the shifting part, if I try to print now a value, how much will be the a value now? If I try to print in the comment, if I keep the answer here, how much? 10. But again, if I try to say now, suppose again if I say now a right shift by how many times? 2 times. Means how many times I have to divide now? 2 times. First of all, a, how much here? What will get first of all a? First of all, I have to find it what? Let me write properly here once. Okay, first you copy here, then I can come there. First copy this part. I want to go line by line now. And simply remember, right shift means what? Divide by 2. Done. Okay. So now see once here. Now suppose if I have told there what? A why is checking? Give me a minute. Suppose if I have told there what? A equal to how much their value? 20 suppose. And if I have told a right shift by how many times now? 2 times. Means how many times I have to divide there? First of all, 2 times. First time. Suppose first a right shift by what? 1 time. How much is the answer here now? Here 10. How you got this 10? Even no? Okay. Now if I say a right shift by how many times? 2 times. Means what? This 10 there by again what? 2. Means what? 2 5s are 10. So how much is the answer now? 5. Again if I say a right shift by what? 3 times. Now 5. One more time. 2 2s are 4. How much remainder? 1. This will leave it. But how much you got their value? 2. So make a note this one. Then we'll see practical now. Clearly make a note. Okay. Okay. Over. Okay. Now I want to get one more concept called as what now? Left shift. Suppose A left shift by how many times? Suppose I'll say one time now. First of all, what is the meaning of left shift? Multiply. What? Multiply. Multiply with what number? Multiply by 2. This is shortcut. Okay, people will do complement all those things, but this is a very shortcut way according to me. Okay, so I have applied this technique solely. Okay, but if people know suppose one's complement, two's complement, then they can use those techniques. So now when I say left means what? Multiply with what? 2. Suppose if I have taken A value how much? Suppose 10. I will take less value only because we have to only suffer. So equal to what now? Not 2 also, we'll take 4. A equal to how much? 4. Now when I say A left shift by how many times? 1 time. Means what? A equal to 4 multiply with what? 2. How much will get? 8. This 8 answer for what we got? A right shift by how many times? 1 time. But if I have told A right shift left shift by what? 2 times, then what would be the answer there? First time I would get the what? First time, what is the answer of A left shift 1? 8. If I have told 2 times, then what? 8 into 2. This would be the answer of what? 2 times. Left shift 2 times. This would be the answer for what? A left shift by how many times? 2 times. Make a note.